Preheat your oven to 350°F. Add the cream cheese and confectioner's sugar into a bowl and whisk until smooth. Add around 12 teaspoon balls of the cream cheese mixture to your baking sheet and place in your freezer to chill for around an hour. In a bowl, add the flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix the dry ingredients and leave to one side. In another bowl, add the softened butter, light brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Mix until pale in color and fluffy. You can continue beating with a hand mixer. Once fluffy, add the egg yolk, whole egg, and vanilla extract. Now gradually add the bowl of dry ingredients and keep mixing. Finally, fold in the strawberries gently. Shape the cookie dough into balls. You should use around 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie. To half of the balls of dough, make a small opening in the center. Take out the cream cheese from chilling and add to your balls of dough with the opening. Then place the other balls of dough on top and pinch the sides. Place your cookies into the fridge to chill for 5 minutes. Place the cookies in the center of your preheated oven and bake for around 14 to 16 minutes. The edges should be slightly golden. Once cool, serve and enjoy.